Hello, friends! Today I invite you to the places where the animals live. These places are called habitats, and they're split into 4 main zones. First is the jungle and the savanna with hot weather, little rain, and animals adapted to heat. Next is the farm habitat with fields, barns, and fences. Then comes the Arctic, a cold and icy place. And finally, a forest with many trees and cool, quiet shade. Each habitat is so different, just like the animals living there. Jungle animals are colorful and fast, and farm animals are friendly to humans. Arctic animals have thick fur or fat to stay warm, while forest inhabitants often have brown or green colors to blend with trees. Now let's return all the animals to their habitats. Here's an orange clay for our first animal. It has big ears that move in different directions, so it can notice the movements fast. This animal has orange, brown, and red thick fur to hide among the trees. It also stays warm by using its long, fluffy tail as a scarf while sleeping. Did you guess it? It's a fox. We've learned a lot about it. Now let's find its natural habitat. Is it the savanna or farms? No! Yes! Fox lives in the forest. Next, we take a bright pink clay. This animal has a round body and the shape helps it to stay warm. It has short legs with hooves that are good for soil and mud. Its nose is flat and firm, and it helps dig into the dirt at the barn. This is a pig! Look at these flappy little ears. Let's find its home. Is it the jungle? Or the icy Arctic? It's a farm. That's right. Next clay color is brown. What animal will it be? It has thick skin and a layer of fat that keeps it warm in freezing water. Check out these long white tusks on its muzzle. They help the animal move on ice. It also has a pair of broad, strong flippers for swimming. This is a walrus! Where does this big guy live? Let's find out! Definitely not in a hot climate. Not on a farm either. Yes! The cold Arctic suits a walrus the best. Here comes yellow clay for the next animal. It has a long neck that helps reach high tree leaves. The legs are tall and straight, keeping the body off the hot ground. This animal has a spotted coat that helps it blend with the environment. And its tail with a dark tip swishes insects away. This is a giraffe. Check out this cute face. Let's find out where it lives. Is it the farm? A hot savanna? That's right. Look, all the farm animals scattered away. Let's help them. Where does this horse fit? Try looking closely. Here it goes. Where's this goat's shape? Well done. Let's find the cow's spot. Nice. Little sheep, where is yours? What about this goose? We're doing great. Let's get this rabbit home too. Where goes the chicken nest? And the pig goes in the last empty space. Hey, look what we've got. Horse. We should find a place for it on our map. Where do you live, horsey? Here is too hot. But a farm fits perfectly. And this is a sheep. This sheep is the horse's neighbor. It lives on the farm too. We're moving to the Arctic. Let's inhabit this place. Here's a puffin. Where is the walrus's shape? What about this seal? And the orca gets its place too. This ice house is called an igloo. Look, here's a polar bear. And a snowy owl. Good job! We got 2 more animal pieces. This is a polar bear. Its white fur blends well with snow and ice. Shall we find its place on the map?
Yes!
Jungle? Absolutely not! Forest! I don't think so. The Arctic. That sounds right. This cutie is a seal. Its body fat keeps it warm in freezing water. It's definitely a skill of the Arctic animal. Let's get you home, buddy. Look, friends. We've got brown clay this time. This animal has a glorious mane around its head that looks just like a crown. It also has yellow, sandy-colored fur that blends well with dry grass. Its body is strong and muscular for running on open land. Also, it has large, wide paws to walk on hot ground, and a tuft on its tail helps to flick the annoying insects away. Look! The eyes are facing forward, focused on its target. This is a lion, a king of the animal kingdom. His home place is the Savannah, correct? Friends, we got a new alphabet game. Looks like we're missing 2 letters. This won't do? Here they are. Let's start our ABCs. A, B, C, D. What letter comes next? Maybe Z? No, just kidding. Is it E? That's right. Let's put it in its place. Look, this is an elephant. It starts with an E. Where do elephants live? On a farm? In the jungle? Yes, well done, kids.
Wow!
Let's keep going. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and 1 more letter is left. Z. We've got a zebra! Yay! Zebras live in the hot climate of the savannah. Let's move it in. This part is completed. Good job! Let's settle these animals in. They all live in forests. Look who's here. A squirrel, an owl, a hedgehog, a blue tit, a deer, a moose, a bear, and a fox. Here we go. This is a bear for our map. Let's find its home. It's not in the Arctic. It is in a forest. This is a wolf. Where does it live? A wolf lives in a forest. We've got black clay color. What animal is going to be next? It has a long, smooth body and a tall dorsal fin that helps cut through the water and swim fast. The white patch on its belly works as camouflage. From below, the white color blends with light. And above, the black blends into the dark water. A thick layer of fat keeps it warm in the cold oceans. Also, this animal doesn't have a nose, so it breathes through a blowhole on its head. This is an orca. Let's see where it lives. It lives in the Arctic waters. This part is completed too. Good job, friends. Next comes white clay. What animal will it turn into? This one has a large, sturdy body suited to life in open fields. The body is covered with spots, each with a unique shape and size. It has a wide, flat mouth that helps pull up the grass. This animal produces yummy, tasty, and oh-so-healthy milk. It is used to make cheese and yogurt. This is a cow. Where do cows live? We should find it out together. That's right. A cow lives on a farm. The last for today is purple clay. This animal is famous for its sharp spines, which cover its back for protection. It has a small, round body, short but strong legs, and a pointed nose. When in danger, the spines stand up, making the body look bigger. Stay away, it says. In nature, this animal wears brown and gray colors that help it hide in grass and leaves. Finally, the small round ears help retain warmth. Do you know this little guy? This is a hedgehog. Let's settle it in. It lives in a forest. So, the map is complete. Jungle, the Arctic. Farm and forest. We've settled all the animals. You did great today, kids. See you in the next video. Bye.